Fourth, the Minister of Religious Affairs called Diwane Risalat. Now we will understand about the division of the empire. The empire was divided into provisions called subas. The subas were divided into shiks. Shiks were divided into paganas. Paganas were divided into villages. The village was the primary or the first unit of local administration. The group of villages was called a pargana. The chief officer of the pargana was called the amil. This amil was having the responsibility for the collection of land revenue. The village headman was called mukaddam or chaudhry. The governor of a prince was called bali, mukti or subedar. The main duty of the governor was to maintain law and order in the province. Province means in their area, region. The head of the police department of the town was called Kotwal. Criminals, that is, person who committed a crime, were given very severe punishments during the rule of the Delhi Sultanate. Ikta system. The sultans divided the empire into a number of tracts called iktas. The term ikta means the land or the land granted to the military commanders in lieu of their salaries, and the holder of these territories were known as iktadar. But they were not the owner of the land. They maintained law and order in the ikta and collected the land revenue due to the state. After the collection of land revenue, the iktidar met the cost of administration, and he was allowed to have a part of income from his own use, for his own use. Now, the balance amount, if any, was sent to the state treasury. There were three important taxes. First, on the cultivation called kharaj. In this, half of the production was paid as tax, 50%. Second, on cattle. Third, on houses. The nobility and the courts. Dear students, in the beginning of the today's class, we have studied about the division of Indian society. So we know that the upper class comprised the ruling class, which included the sultans, the nobles, the landlords and the Hindu rajas. So the sultans and the nobles enjoyed a high standard of living.